Hi, this is Abhirami. I'm going to show you how to connect a Linux web server to AWS. So for this, we are going to follow these steps. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect Linux EC2 instance in AWS console. So for that, I'm going to connect with from Mumbai region. I'm using this AP South 1A availability zone. Inside EC2 Linux EC2 instance, security group name is Linux underscore security group. So for that, we need SSH to connect with the desktop, so Apache to connect to web server. So at first, I'm going to open a console, my management console, then login. Then after that, launch instance. I'm going to use free tier. For free tier, we go 1 CPU, 1 GB of RAM and storage. We choose EBS only. So after that, we need to connect with SSH client. Then we will get a Linux window. There we need to connect, install our Apache server. Then we can can browse from there. So now I'm going to show how to do that. So for that, we need to connect AWS Management Console first, log in with our credential. Here key in EC2. So we can go to EC2 dashboard. From here you can click launch instance. So free tier only. So we are going to connect with Linux. So I'm choosing Linux. So here by default you will get this for the free tier. You will get 1 CPU, 1 GB of RAM, and the EBS storage, EBS only. And configure instance details. So we choose one instance. So availability zone, I'm going to use AP South only. Now add storage. Add storage by default for root volume you will get 8 GB of RAM. So if you need, you can add more from add new volume. Add tag. Here we going to name our instance. I give Linux EC2. Then configure security group. Security group, I'm going to create a new security group named as Linux SG. So SSH we need to, the purpose of SSH is we can connect with our desktop. I'm going to use one more HTTP. Later we need to connect with web server. So here itself I connected with HTTP. Here anyway, review and launch. So here I already got the key pair. So I choose my old key pair, existing key pair. So this key pair will help us to get the password when we connect with Linux. So now your instance are now launching. So view instance. It will take some time to connect. Now our instance are ready. So go to the instance. Here you need to connect with the SSH. So you connect SSH client, then go to EC2 instance connect. Again you have to connect. So now we are in Linux. So now we need to connect our so first we need to for install our Apache we have to go by root user. So you can go to root user now. So now yum update -y. Now Linux Apache get now the software getting new updates. So now we can install our Apache. Yum install -y httpd dot x86 underscore 64. Now our Apache is installed already. So now we have to start our Apache. So for that system ctl start httpd dot service. nctl start httpd.service. Now we can connect our, so now you go to our instance, you can copy the DNS from here, open a new browser. You see, now we can connect with our web page. So this is how we can do our connect our Linux web server in AWS. Thank you for watching.